It's a TEMU Haul! What's up, Backpage? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rochelle. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you love the vibe in this tribe. I'm going to be on box 7. It's supposed to be like car themed, but honestly, it is a bit of a random haul. I can't believe 7 items do belong in here. Just a fun tidbit for you. If you're new to TEMU, make sure you use all the discount codes down below. Save you 30% off your first order. I'll also tag all the pricing and all the items in this haul just in case you want to grab it for yourself as well. So let's get right to it. Ta-da! If you're new to TEMU, I want to try a little bit of everything just so you guys can have an informed decision on the quality, the likes and the nots when it comes to TEMU. Heck, let me shop and try it out so that it could save you some time and some money. Let's go ahead and dive in on the first item. I got this. This is it's supposed to be like a water container. Honestly, I thought it was smaller. Again, when it comes to online shopping, make sure you check the specs. I think when I first ordered this, I wanted this for the dog. Buster, I have a golden doodle, and when he gets thirsty, he gets thirsty. And I wanted like a little spout, but it's bigger. So this for $2.49. I love the fact that it's collapsible. I guess it's gonna be more than his water bottle. We can find definitely uses for it. So it's made out of plastic, and then this part is like a rubber. It's rubber, so obviously it expands. I love things that are functional and that can be put away easily. So I'm sure I'll find good use for this. Maybe we'll go to the beach. So many 101 ways to use this. So again, a little watering collapsible jug, which is bigger than I expected, but that's okay. I love that surprise rather than the reverse, right? So tidbit there, make sure you look at the size instructions when you order, right? Now I finally got some electronic accessories. I got myself a desktop alloy bracket. So this is more for holding my iPhone on my desk. As you guys know, I'm a big video person. Hello. So I was hoping to use this with a double function of a tripod. So this cell phone holder is $9.99. All right, there's the price and all the other colors. It is really heavy. It is metallic. It is sturdy. When it comes to electronic and accessories, I'm always curious as the material, the functionality, and the durability. So I will say I'm very impressed with this already because I could tell it's already durable. It is a little bit heavy. If you're looking for a lighter option, then probably not. All right. The rubber side is the grippy side. Again, I like how it's the functionality, so I can bend it whichever way I want. This is where the phone's gonna rest, so I would leave it like that. So if I wanted to rest on something like this, I can securely rest it on against a bookcase and then do my videos that way. Or if I need a height, then I can put it right here, stick it out a little bit, make some adjustments, and boom, I'm doing my videos, all right? So one reason why I got this is not only just to put it a safe place on my desktop, but also use it as a tripod as well. So I would give this maybe like a 5 out of 5 stars. I'm very excited about this. Up next is these are portable soap paper. There's approximately about 50 in them. I'm sure you probably came across these items before and you're like, or maybe not. If this is your first time seeing one of these things, it is super cool. For the awesome price, portable price of $1.69, you get to pick your little character and also your little color. So if you're new here, I am a nurse, and hand hygiene is very utterly important around this household, okay? And whenever we go to the bathroom, sometimes the soap dispenser is out of soap, and that's honestly one of my tiny pet peeves. I do have more, but just washing my hands and like air drying like that, I feel like I'm not clean. So I'm so glad they have portable little soap dispensers. So if you open it up in there, then you can just take a little leaflet. It doesn't feel like soap. It actually feels like paper. And then of course you wet them and then you get to wash your hands. I have 2 little ones, so this will definitely come in use. And I love how it's super portable and super cute and super lightweight. Up next, another small tidbit. I am all about spreading joy, spreading kindness. That's the main jam of this channel. And I bought some inspirational stickers. For $1.79, you get a total of, I want to say about 50 of them, okay? I will put it right here. And for someone who gives a lot of happy mail, meaning I spread joy through mail, I like to add these little things to my little packages. Who can't get enough of positivity? So you are born to be real, not to be perfect. Okay, preaching to the choir here. Happy hour. Is it happy hour yet? I love that. Who wants to be a princess when you can be a scientist? So a lot of fun stickers here, decals. They're pretty much roughly the same size. Super excited about that. And again, for $1.79, get a great value of that. This is a cell phone holder for your car. I've actually gone through several of them because the ones that mount by suction sometimes falls off. The ones that mount in the blower or your vents, depending how heavy your cell phone is, that is not stable. So what's unique about this one, which I'm super excited to try, is flip it on to your rear view mirror. And see how it extends and flex like that. Made out of light plastic. It's like it comes in four pieces. Okay, super easy to assemble. Again, when I buy something like this, I need to make sure I have options. Things are adjustable, so absolutely. So again, adjustable here. See that? Also, the height is adjustable. So it's adjustable. Again, it swivels back and forth. Again, you have to loosen it to swivel it. I love that. There is a feature back here that if you unclip it, you can actually make this longer, okay, or shorter. For the cell phone, you have these things that you squeeze, which I love, makes it easy. I'm not fighting the device. So you can either hold it like this, or you can mount it like this. Again, options. And I love how it's fully, functional in all angles. So I think a 5 out of 5 for this. I'm super excited to actually use this to mount it on my car. This is $4.09, all right? So for less than $5, you have an amazing mount that you can actually take from car to car. If you're someone who like that needs something portable like that. Up next, I was kind of excited about this. I'm kind of weary, to be honest, just because it's so small. This is supposed to be a portable vacuum for your car. I already see it. It's already chargeable. This is how you charge it, USB with the little guy right here. So hopefully some newer cars do already have a USB port. You might have to bring something like that or bring it in the house to charge it. So I'm just letting you guys know that, all right? I love how it already comes installed, okay? I mean, like, it's already all put together. You have the little mouthpiece that goes like this, and then you have a little brush like this. So it's just like it's literally a mini vacuum. This mini cordless vacuum is $16.59. Let's see if this works. Oh, I love how they put a little button on here so that to make sure that the battery's not running. Okay. Does it work? Does it work? I'm cleaning! Totally works, okay? So turns off and on. The charging device goes there. You go here, and then you plug it in. I'm excited for this. Okay, 5 out of 5. I might have to rate this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. And again, this is not going to do any major cleaning in the car, but for someone who has two small little ones, like smaller upkeeping is better than none, because when the stuff just sits in the back, it builds up, right? And then you're like, oh, I got to clean so much. But if you clean little at a time, the big cleanup is not so much. So I'm excited to use this because sometimes you just need a little touch up, right? Okay, our last TEMU item for the price of $12.69 is a 7-piece organizing set. I am huge with organization here on this channel. Something I recently learned about myself. All right, guys, it's a 7-piece set. I took everything out. One awesome thing about this is that they do come with these little rubbery stickies. So to prevent from sliding, you would put them on the bottom, like little footies, which I like. Do you see the little circles? That's where you would put them. So for this, you have one large one, all right? And then you have 2 small ones. I feel like these are kind of like butter, like little butter trays. You have 2 of these small ones. Then you have 3 of these size ones. And then you have two little itty bitty ones, little square ones, and then you have a large square one. So for 7 pieces, I'm going to be utilizing this in my my makeup, like my top drawer, where I kind of just throw everything in there and use it to help organize and make it look more presentable. All right, bag babes, go ahead and hit the links all down below. Save yourself 30% off on all of these amazing prices. Again, all the items that were in my haul are down below. If you want to see more TEMU hauls, make sure you give this video a big like. Let TEMU know, hey, send Rockstar Rochelle more good stuff so we can do more of an unboxing on the channel. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Check all this playlist that I got going for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta!